Women represent 58.4% of university enrollments, but earn on average 19% less than men. The number of women on the ASX-listed boards grew from 8.3% in 2009 to 35.6% in 2023. 9% of CEOs in the ASX 300 are women. Matilda was the 2023 Australian National Dictionary's Word of the Year. But male sport makes up 81% of television sports news coverage compared to women at just 7.4%. Girls outperform boys in STEM, but make up only 15% of the STEM workforce.
Only one Prime Minister has been female out of 31 Australian Prime Ministers.
When a girl receives a needs-based scholarship to attend Lauriston, her male counterparts have access to 30 times as many scholarships at similar schools.
Join us in an opportunity to change this. Invest in a better future. Make her count.
It starts with access to quality education, a Lauriston education. Creating equal opportunities to support her to learn and lead and find and grow her passions.
Today on Lauriston's Giving Day, make your gift count. Invest in her. Invest in a Lauriston Foundation Scholarship.